Welcome to Master English World. Today, we'll learn past participle in an easy way along with a quiz. Let's begin. Which sentence uses the past participle correctly? A. I have ate my lunch. B. I have eaten my lunch. C. I have eating my lunch. D. I ate my lunched. Correct answer, B. Eaten is the past participle of eat. Past participles are used after have, has, or had. Choose the past participle of the verb write. A. Write it. B. Wrote. C. Written. D. Writing. Correct answer, C. Write is the present. Wrote is the past. Written is the past participle. Used in forms like has written, have written. Identify the sentence with past participle in passive voice. A. He is play the game. B. The game is played every day. C. The game has been played already. D. They are playing the game. Correct answer, C. Been plus past participle played shows perfect passive form. Sentence B is simple present, not perfect passive. Which sentence shows past participle used as an adjective? A. The broken window was repaired. B. He broken the window. C. He broke the window yesterday. D. The window breaks easily. Correct answer, A. Broken is a past participle describing the noun window. Past participles are often used as adjectives. Find the correct usage of past participle with had. A. She had went to market. B. She had gone to market. C. She had go to market. D. She had going to market. Correct answer, B. Gone is the past participle of go. After had, we must use the past participle form. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Master English World for more English lessons. See you in the next video.